What the world needs now is love, sweet love. It's the only thing that there's just too little of. As the world turns, we are about to embark on the going out of 2017 and embrace 2018. How blessed we are to be here to welcome in the new year. Let's make the most of your world beginning today. Welcome to the channel, my friends, and Happy New Year. This is my holiday finale for 2017, featuring my Purple Passion Tablescape. I've set the table for a party of 6. Each place setting consists of elegant silver chargers, white and silver china, and glass salad plates. I also added a shimmery snowflake for decorations on each salad plate. Here's a quick overview of the table. I purchased these beautiful purple gobblers from the thrift store. They were $1 each. And also I'm using the silver trimmed decorative glass wine gobbler that I purchased 2 years ago on clearance at TJ Maxx. I put together 2 napkins, one eggplant purple napkin and a white hem-stitch napkin. And also I've added a silver peacock, which is actually a Christmas tree ornament that I purchased 2 years ago from Hobby Lobby on clearance after Christmas sale. I have 4 of them. 2 of the place settings have different napkin rings. All voltage candle holder was purchased on clearance from TJ Maxx, as well as the larger candle holder. I've added a Christmas tree ornament to style an arrangement that I purchased from Walmart, as well as some silver picks that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. I think it turned out really pretty. I've added a silver faux leather runner down the center of the table, which I purchased from Z Gallery. And the tray in the center of the table are white candlesticks and silver candlesticks, which are actually Christmas tree ornaments, but I chose to use them as candles for the table. Let's focus on the buffet table. I've added a faux runner down the center of the table and 3 pine needle Christmas trees that I purchased on clearance at Hobby Lobby. I love the way this table came together. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I want to thank all of you for supporting my channel. I really do appreciate it. If you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. I'd love to have you join the Divine family. Thank you to all of my new subscribers. You're absolutely appreciated. Please give us a thumbs up if you like the video, comment, and share. Remember, God loves you, and so do I. God bless you until we meet again. Happy New Year to you and your family. Bye-bye.